you can see this is the two gun one ray touch screen, and then this touch screen can control the two lights, and then you can see. And this is a demo touch screen. You can see this light can turn on or turn off the fans. When the blue lights turn on, it can mean that the fans they can turn on or turn off. And this right button and the left button, you can see they can demo this fans. The left button, they can make the fans so fast, and the right touch, you can see, make the fans so slow. And then this has a remote controller. They can remote control the fans. You can see. Right kids can turn the fans so fast. And the right case can make the fans so slow. You can see. Okay. This is the fire light. You can see the lights can turn off and flash the yellow blue.